7.
Picking the people who will decide Michael Dunn's fate. Good evening and welcome. I'm Keitha Nelson.
And I'm Lewis Turner. Just 2 hours ago, day one of jury selection wrapped at the Duval Courthouse. Roger Weeder joins us live to tell you how lawyers on both sides are jockeying to see the jury they believe are going to give them an acquittal or a conviction. Roger?
Well, Lewis, late this afternoon, jury selection, as you mentioned, wrapped up in day one. 4 dozen prospective jurors excused, more added to the pool, and they'll all be back here tomorrow as the judge, the attorneys on both sides try to find a pool of, I should say, a panel of 16 jurors to hear the case against Michael Dunn. Now, let's look at some video of Michael Dunn at a pretrial hearing. No cameras rolling today inside the courtroom as it's been closed to the media, and that is the source of a legal challenge. I'll get to that in a moment. But today, Judge Healy and others questioned the jurors, number one, about what they knew about the case, and number two, whether it would be a hardship for them to serve on this particular trial. Let's look at the timeline the judge detailed for the prospective jurors. Jury selection should last 3 days. The trial, 10 days, meaning it could go till the end of next week. And the jury would be sequestered following opening arguments. So that is the latest here. But one other footnote is the legal challenge going on regarding the jury selection process. Today it was closed to the media. No media representatives in the courtroom. Audio of the questioning was piped into a nearby courtroom. That is being challenged by First Coast News and our news partner, the Florida Times Union. That appeals could be heard as early as tomorrow on that whole process of how jury selection is being heard here in the Michael Dunn trial. Reporting live from the courthouse, Roger Weeder, First Coast News, NBC 12, ABC 25.
Thanks, Roger. Now for details on the Jordan Davis murder case, head to firstcoastnews.com. There you'll find an interactive timeline of the case. You can control the elements and find in-depth information about the crime scene and the moments of everyone involved on the day of that shooting.